Hi, my name is Rachel Murphy, and I'm the home editor here at Reviewed. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. It's a smart video doorbell that you can put almost anywhere because it's got a battery-powered option. You can put it on the front door, on the side of your house, or really anywhere where you need some extra eyes. It has useful features like live streaming a video to your smartphone, two-way audio so you can talk from your phone directly to who's ever at the front door, motion alerts so you can know when a package or a person is there, and it can be an integral part of your home security system. Let's go through some of the stats. The dimensions are 5.1 inches by 2.4 inches by 1.1 inch. It connects over Wi-Fi over a 2.4 gigahertz connection. It has a quick release and removable battery that's also rechargeable, and you can also connect it to your existing doorbell wiring or transformer for trickle charging if you have one. It records in 1536 pixels HD, and it shoots in a 150-degree horizontal by 150-degree vertical field of view, offering a full view of your front door. And it operates anywhere between -5 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It also works with Amazon Alexa. The Ring Battery Doorbell replaces the Ring Video Doorbell 3, which is being retired. The Ring Video Doorbell 3 only recorded in 1080p, so the Doorbell Plus is an upgrade certainly at 1536. And it offers the widest and most expansive view of any Ring doorbell yet that offers battery power. It costs around $180, which is about average for a video doorbell. It's not Ring's cheapest doorbell, and it's not their most expensive either. And it's about on par with competitors like Google's Nest Wired Doorbell and Battery Doorbell, which go for about the same price. There's a lot we like about the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. First of all, it offers a fantastic view. Like we said, it's one of the widest and most expansive views on any battery-powered Ring doorbell yet. It shows you everything you need to see in full view from head to toe, like packages down at the bottom of your door to people standing up top. And the view is crisp and clear. There's no odd orbs of light or anything that gets in the way of the view. It's not pixelated. And even from a distance, you're still able to make out faces. It also comes with color night vision, which is important when you're trying to make out who's at your front door at night when you don't have great lighting. Most video doorbells only come with night vision, which records in black and white. So the addition of color can help distinguish details that might otherwise be hard to see. The Ring Doorbell Plus is a battery-powered doorbell, and the upside is the battery is removable and it's rechargeable. A rechargeable cable is included with your doorbell purchase. The other side, too, is that you can connect it to your existing doorbell wires if you have them, so that you don't have to take down the doorbell battery to recharge it often. You can also purchase an additional battery pack so that when one battery needs to be placed on the charger, you have another one to swap it in with. And keep in mind, the more events your doorbell picks up, the quicker your battery will die, and you can fine-tune these settings in the Ring app. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus also includes a free 30-day trial of Ring Protect. Now, you don't necessarily need Ring Protect, but it is a helpful feature to sign up for. Without it, you can still do things like view the live view, do two-way talk, and get motion-activated alerts. But the real value comes when you sign up for it, and you can access things like 180-day video history, you're able to save and share clips with family and friends, and you'll get more detailed alerts, like person and package alerts, when someone or a package shows up at your front door. The basic option for the Ring Protect plan starts around $4, or you can pay an annual fee of $40 to save a couple bucks, and you can cancel at any time in the app. There are also multiple options for Chime notifications. If you have Alexa-enabled devices, say like an Echo Show 5 or an Echo Show 10, or maybe you just have some Echo Dot smart speakers around your house, you can also use those to alert you when someone's at the front door. My favorite feature is using the Echo Shows because it immediately pulls up a real-time live view of whoever is at the front door when the doorbell is pressed. You can also ask Alexa to show you who's at the front door anytime you want, even if somebody is not at the door, and you can view that on your Echo Show, which is also a handy feature in case you're just wondering what's going on. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus also has an incredible spread of features that are useful for your home. For example, if you can't make it to the doorbell can reply with one of 6 quick preset replies, which you can view in the app. It's sort of like getting a voicemail on your phone, and it helps when you're not able to get to the door. There's also Ring's snapshot capture feature, which is included on the Battery Doorbell Plus. That takes a photo every so often to show you what's going on when there's no motion at your door. This can help keep you informed of what's going on outside of your door, just so you don't have to check in and look. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus also supports customizable motion zones so that you can decide which areas you'd like your camera to record and which ones you don't want it to record. This can help reduce the amount of false alerts from, say, trees blowing in the wind or other shadows that may falsely trigger the doorbell. We also like that the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus comes with two-factor authentication. This is a mandatory feature of all Ring devices, and it's a nice one to have that can keep your smart home safe and secure. You won't find it on every video doorbell, but it's important if someone tries to hack into your account, you'll be immediately alerted, and then you can take the necessary steps to keep them out. One of the things we don't like about the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is that it doesn't currently support Matter. Matter is a new smart home protocol that helps your smart home devices across different ecosystems work together. Now, while this doorbell doesn't support Matter yet, it's possible that Amazon might be able to roll out an update to the doorbell down the road. The Battery Doorbell Plus isn't supported by Google Home or Apple HomeKit, so if those are your two smart home ecosystems of choice, you should consider a different doorbell. However, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus does work with Amazon Alexa and the Amazon Echo ecosystem. When it comes to privacy on the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, we mentioned that two-factor authentication is mandatory in the Ring app, which is a nice feature to have. The doorbell also offers privacy zones, which are essentially no-go spots for the camera to record. Ring also says that cloud-stored videos are encrypted automatically and that transmission of these videos is encrypted as well. The pros of the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus are that it offers a fantastic view. It has convenient power sources. It comes with a free trial of Ring Protect, but you'll need to keep paying for it. There are multiple options for Chime notifications. It touts a helpful spread of features, and two-factor authentication is mandatory. While the cons are, it doesn't support Matter. Now, should you buy the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus? Yes, this is a great video doorbell, especially if you're looking for a battery-powered option. For about $180, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is one of the best battery-operated video doorbells that Ring offers right now, offering a full head-to-toe look at whoever is at your front door, including showing packages that might be on the ground. It offers the convenience of being able to be installed anywhere, and you can also hook it up to existing doorbell wires so that you don't have to worry about recharging the battery. It's a great option for renters and homeowners alike, and it's a responsive and reliable option when it comes to securing your front door. And most importantly, with a Ring Protect plan, you can get access to detailed notifications that can tell you when someone or a package is at your front door. For the full review, head to review.com, and thanks for watching.